What's going on, everybody? We are live. We are live. What's up? All right. We're going to do good today. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. All right. Nasdaq's up 199. Let me let everybody in the room. Hopefully y'all can hear me, right? Testing 1, 2, 3. Check it. Check it. Let's see here. Boom. There we go. All right. Let's move this over here. We got a couple minutes before the market opens up. Man, it's cold over here, dude. I'm in Texas. Ice all over the ground. Shit. Crazy, dude. Okay, gold. Think we're good. All right. How y'all doing? What's going on, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's happening, brother?
Just trying to get in sync with the new software, so the new charts.
Yeah, I hear you, my man. I hear you. What's up, Jeff?
Morning, guys.
What's going on? We're doing good, my man. It's cold over here, man. Like, damn. Fucking.
You guys get any snow yet?
No, well, not where I'm at. A lot of parts in Texas did, but I just got ice.
Just down in the banana belt. Huh?
That's about right, brother. But no, it snowed in a lot of spots in Texas. It's just not where I'm at.
Yeah. I heard they got snow down in Florida.
Yeah, dude. Even Florida, right? Shit, dude. I didn't get it. We got ice.
It just got cold. We got nothing here, man.
That's crazy.
I know.
That's crazy.
The mountains have been doing good. Mountains have been doing really good. Good snowpack up there, but nothing down on the lowlands.
Damn. Damn. I mean, one of my damn, I got this sink. So you had to leave all the sinks, the water dripping. And one of these sinks, man, it started leaking. So I woke up this morning, I came downstairs, and in one of the bathrooms, it was like a lake. So I spent yeah, dude. I spent all morning like in the fucking lagoon in the bathroom.
Oh, God.
And that was like 5 a.m, dude. And then it was cold, and I had to take those wet things outside. It sucked, dude. It sucked.
Yeah. Well, let's hope trading doesn't suck today.
Yeah, you know what? It's not going to suck today. It's going to be good because I feel every single day we're getting closer and closer to dialing it in. Today the goal is to just, again, be better than yesterday. At least I know what I'm looking for now, so I can focus and just practice and get good on the signal. That's it.
I got my charts. I have my chart all dialed in finally. I did a little more troubleshooting and making sure everything's gonna trade today.
Good. Make sure speaking of that, make sure your trading is unlocked.
Yeah. Thank you.
I do that all the time, bro. And my kids, so everybody over here is starting school later because of the ice. So I'm going to not be able to do options today because during that time, I have to take off and go take him to school. So,
man, I'm surprised they're going to school with the ice. Up here, they get about 3 snowflakes up here, and they shut everything down for a week.
Well, they were out yesterday, but today, by the 12 o'clock, it's already supposed to start heating back up. So by this afternoon, it should be perfect, and that's why they're going to school later today. So after this, I'm going to take off, go take him, and then when I come back, it'll be about the time that we would normally jump on for all this stuff. So I'm going to be working on this like all day long, talking and making sure that today really get comfortable with what we're looking at,
All right, man. Well, you're flying the plane today.
Well, shit. I don't know if that's a good thing, but we got our they say it, we don't even have our pilot license yet.
Hey, we're all student pilots.
Exactly. We'll see how it goes. All right, guys. I'm gonna, I don't know if I'm gonna be waiting a full 15 minutes, but I do think I'm gonna wait a couple minutes. But let's have a good day. All right. Just kind of starting off by looking at, we have a swing high up here. We're coming into Nasdaq is 21,916. So our our slow MACD is above 0. Our fast MACD, we're working our way down into the bottom zone. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of volatility right here in the beginning. So we'll just let it do its thing. I'm not going to turn on any auto traders yet. And again, we got to start, again, we're practicing. But by the end of this month, we got to be solid where we're at, right? This whole month, has been nothing more than just getting used to the software, getting used to the different charts, these Urenco charts. Oh, my God, dude. And that's it. Come February, we got to start passing these evaluations. So make sure we're zoned in. I'm working on, I got several evaluation accounts. I'm not really worried about passing them right now. We're learning. Brand new for me. Brand new for y'all. So this is perfect. Starting the year with a fresh day trading approach, these prop firms. And I'm excited. We've just got to figure it out. And that's why I'm going to be zoned in today. While I'm here live on YouTube, I'll probably just talk about where the market's at. But then once we get into our mastermind, we'll go more into specifics. Let's go from there. All right, we do have a swing high up here at 21,934. 55 is moving up. Again, just kind of taking a look at this. All right. Just kind of profiling the market, right? Daily pivot is way down there. So we're above line 55. Right now we're at that swing high. It's kind of pumping. Nasdaq's up 240. Huh? 240. Looks like we right here. You look at this 30, like we did last time. It's like we're bouncing exactly the same off of that 30. Working our way up. So we're good. Wow, look at that run up. I think we're solid. Auto traders. I'm using this auto trader. Let me see. I don't want to enter on close. Yeah, I do want to enter on close. Okay. I think we're good right here. Enter on close. Okay, there's that one. Bring this one over here. Take multiple trades. Auto disable after entry. I don't want to enter on close, so I'm going to leave those top 3. And that one. Top 3. That looks good, I think. Let's just kind of give it a couple minutes to shake out before we start turning on auto traders. I do have a, what's up, Brandon? What's going on, Brandon?
Good morning. Good morning. How we doing?
We're doing good, brother. We're just kind of letting the market shake out for a couple minutes. All that good stuff. You know how it is. Today, we got to really focus on our signals. I have narrowed it down to just a couple. And that's what I'm going to be watching. So we got to get good. We have to. We have no choice. Once we get good at it, we'll start rocking and rolling. All right. Again, I'm still going to let it shake out, until I think I'm like really comfortable. I'm definitely going to give it a chance to shake out and just watch what's going on here. Damn, I'm fucking choking here. Going to get line 55. Nice little flat. Everything looks pretty good. And I'm using one of my $50,000 accounts. I don't have much left on this account. So it ain't going to take much to blow it up. It ain't going to take much. That's fine. Because they all renew on February the 1st. So I want to make sure I use them. Because the last thing I want to do is renew without even using it. So if I blow it up, that's fine. I don't really care. We'll just go to another one, right? I will be doing a lot of talking today when we're in our mastermind group. And I do talking for a couple things. Number one, it helps me. It keeps me accountable to what I'm doing. So it's more for me than anything else. I talk out loud so my brain can, number one, recognize the signals and not cheat. Okay? So that's why I call stuff out. Because again, y'all are doing y'all's thing, I'm doing mine. You know, we want to get to where we're doing the same things. Where's line 21? So we're above line 21. So Dasher will only trigger short. This is a situation that I would like to do Dasher, but there's no entries. Look at that. Went right up to R1. Sold off. We did bounce. We're starting to hook. So I might get comfortable here pretty soon. I like it when it's down here, that's 6 to 6. All right. I think if I get my signal now, I'll take it. This could be a diamond short, but I'm looking over here and I really want to stay to the long side right now. I don't really want to go short. We really gotta iron out our bias today as well. We have to iron out our bias today. Because we need to, we can't flip back and forth, you know what I'm saying? All right, so pulling back right at line 55. All right, we're above the 0. But we're working off a lower high. Be very, it's not that I'm going to be, well, yes. What's going on, Jason? Right now, we're just chopping around. Good morning, brother. Good morning. And we are working off a higher low. Sold off, so I'm still waiting. I'll tell you when I'm going to turn the auto trader on. It's not yet. It's not yet, okay? Not me. This is where we really got to focus on the price act, because here's the deal. If we take one mini, think about this, and our target is 50 ticks. If we hit 50 ticks, that's $250. 2 trades would get us our $500 daily goal. So we got to be very patient. We don't need a lot, right? We need to be consistent, pass these evaluations, and then go after that daily goal, right? But I do like that we held. Okay. I'm going to be very specific today. I know I was looking at a lot of charts last night. I know exactly what I'm going to be looking for. And if I get it, I'll go for it. I wanted to take this trade, but it was a little bit too early when I was forming. I'm taking no divergence trades today also. I'm only focusing on price action and the dasher boom if it's stacked. I'm not taking that dasher boom. That's the Raymond special, right? And once again, the dasher boom destroyed somebody. That's why we don't take that one. That right there just gave somebody a bad day. Okay. So I'm going to turn on my auto trader to the upside. Long. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and disable it. I'm going to disable it. Disable it. So it's not on. And again, if it works, that's fine. But we got to be consistent. So it's turned off. We never would have got triggered anyway, so we're okay. Now look, we hit that R1 working down, but this is just a pullback. So I'm telling you guys, think about the bias today. So whenever we're in the mastermind group, we can go over it. I'm telling you right now, we have to establish a bias. Whatever rule that might be, we need to come up with something because that's critical. Maybe we go in line with the fast MACD, right? This is just a pullback in the bigger move. I'm down for that. We just got to be consistent, whatever that is. Because this up here, this can change really fast. What's going on? I don't know how to say your last name, but Zormello? They're on YouTube. Yeah, Brandon, Jason, Jeff, John. I don't think we can rely on this because it changes too fast. Yo, yo, yo. All right, let's keep rocking. So right now, again, I've got my auto trader. It's not turned on. Just chopping around sideways right now. Let there get I'll tell you when I'm going to turn it on. But I'll tell you what, that dasher boom got destroyed. So if you took that dasher boom trade, you're done. You're done. That you probably wiped out your whole Apex account. Oh wow, from Ghana? Holy crap. I've got a doctor that I do private lessons for. And he's from Ghana. Yeah, he's a doctor from Ghana. His name is I call him Dr. Daniel. Yeah, I got you, brother. Was not stacked. Absolutely. Dr. Daniel. All right, so right now we're just chopping sideways. This is not what I'm looking for yet. Again, we got to get we only need, like, I'm telling you right now, when we start trading our PA accounts, we only need 2 trades, man. That would have triggered you if you would have turned on your auto trader, which I did not do that. We're just going sideways. We need a clear move. Clear move. Yeah, they're going to school late. They're going to school late. I mean, everybody's going to school like an hour and a half, 2 hours later. So I can't do option trading today, like I said. But what I'll do is after I go take him to school, we'll come back and we'll go back into this. But then we'll come off the mic and we're gonna really do a lot of brainstorming in the group. Okay, so I'm not gonna turn on this dasher. Not yet. We are biased up, but right now, to me, we have more of an equal high and more of an equal low to me. This is just chopping around sideways. Not what I'm looking for. Yep, I'm definitely into crypto. For sure. I shot a video this morning on XRP. I don't know if y'all saw it, but I liked it. I thought it was good. You know, covered some news and looked at the chart. See that dasher? Like the reindeer, right? All right, so I'm going to turn on my dasher. Here we go. I'm turning on the dasher. Boom. Get ready, though. So I got my dasher boom on. And I'm going to turn on my price action one. Okay. So I've got my price action on. God, I don't like that we're underneath that 55, though. If we go down, it's got to do something now. Wow, why is it such a big stop loss? Break even. Move to break even. Okay, we got out of break even. Wait, it says, what's going on here? Oh, somebody changed my freaking stop loss. Damn it. Okay, so I'm going to get back in. If we go back up, I'll get back in. Move to break even again. Damn it. It's flirting around. I'm going to give it another shot. I'll get back in if it goes up. Basically, it's just a bunch of break-even trades. Keep taking these break-evens, though, you know? Moving to break-even. Damn! That's the third time break-even. Ah! It's flirting with it. Watch it work after giving me some break-evens. If it goes back down, I'm going to try it again. I'm going to go for it again. There's only so much break-evens I can take. I'm moving to break-even.
Bye, puppy.
Bye, my love. Let me have yourself a beautiful day, baby. Let's go off the car. Have a good day, buddy. Mommy's already in the car, love. All right, have a good day, Papa. See you later, Papa. All right. Sorry. Oh, wow. We hit our target. Bam! Okay, turn the dasher off. Dasher off. Dasher off. Dasher was off. Boom. Way to go, guys. Way to go. All right. That dasher worked, but it doesn't matter. We stick to the plan. Hey, good job. Way to hit that trade. All right. So we didn't take that dasher. I'm going to go ahead and disable my auto trader, but that's what I wanted. Took a couple break evens. Maybe lost a little bit commission-wise, but we're up 225. So that's a great start. Yeah, that dasher was nice, but it's not our plan. See, if you took that dasher, here's what happened. You would take that dasher, you'd be basically break even. Good job on the break even twice. Actually 3 times, and then we nailed it. Good job. All right, so we're going to get ready to do it again. Very specific on what we're doing. Let me type in the group real quick. All right. I like this. So I'll tell you when I'm turning it on. That was wild. We took break even 3 times. Beautiful trade, though. Absolutely beautiful. Did y'all take that trade multiple times with me?
My auto trader didn't get me in.
Does it look like that?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I got in on the auto trader, and then I moved it to break even, and after that, I manually did it. I right-clicked, and I did that buy stop after the first time. So I don't know if it triggers you after the first time, but I manually entered on the second one. It didn't work?
No, I got some kind of error message that popped up, and I didn't.
Is your trading
pay
locked?
attention to it.
Are you still in trading lock?
I unlocked it this morning.
That's weird.
In fact, I got into one earlier before the New York market opened.
Oh.
But I was set on 8 and 8, so it was on a micro. I made $4.
All right. Woohoo! I love it, dude. I love it. All right.
And I think it's $3.80 is the fee for minis or micros.
$3.80 per.
I think that's what she said in one of the sessions.
Yeah, see, that's a lot because I was doing 6 when I was doing the micros. The commission was too much, so that's why I can't do. I mean, I can't do that. That's too much.
Do you know what it is on the minis?
It was $15. No. I took multiple trades, so I don't know. Remember, I took multiple trades, so I don't know.
Okay.
That trade cost me $15, and I took about 3. I would guess about $3 or $4 per.
Okay.
As opposed to, well, it's about the same maybe, but it's so much more money that makes up for it. And I only do 1.
Right.
So I don't know, man. I mean, I don't know. But we got to calculate that into our plan for sure. All right. So here's the deal. If you get in on this dasher boom and you do the way they're doing it with about a 100 tick stop loss, or maybe a 200 tick, it's just not going to, you can't sustain that. You might get this win and feel like you did something good, but when you get your PA account, you're going to blow it up like that. You'll blow it up like that, man. And that's unsustainable. You can have a big run and you can be like, oh, I got, nah. We are going to focus on a specific signal. That's it for me. Think about it. 225, a couple more trades, we hit it, we would be done. Now, I'm going to keep practicing with this account because at the end of the day, I'm testing it out and I got destroyed in the beginning, so it's not like I'm going to pass this. So it doesn't matter to me. My mission is to really work on the signals, right? And then whenever we get into the group, talk about it. So we bounced off the 10, right? If you take a look at that, we bet, or the 30, right? Bam, bam. Nice run up, swing high. We get in that zone, we might see it go right back and down. Nasdaq's up 300, Dow Jones 124, S&P's 38. Everything's disabled right now. So there's no dasher in sight. That dasher right there, again, we probably would have hit 50 ticks. That's all I'm going for. That's my target, right? 50-50. Charles is posted. Other than that, we're good, brothers. Just kind of looking at everything. I got multiple screens. Patience, right? Patience. We have that double star, right? Or I don't know if you call it double star or twins, whatever the fuck they are. Bounced off the 0. That was our diamond, baby. That right there was a picture-perfect diamond. So if somebody got in this dasher boom and they're just riding this trade, they feel like they did a good job, right? They're like, yes, this is... Can't sustain it. You can't sustain it, my friends. You know, when we were taking these pullbacks, I was having nightmares about that shit. We have plenty of trades throughout the day. And when we, again, in our PA, it only takes a couple trades. Absolutely no need to rush. Nice move up. Again, we're still at that swing high. Rebecca was saying yesterday, take the lower high after the swing, but she said don't trust the swing, right? I don't know what that means, but we've had a nice run up.
She said she doesn't trust the red swings.
Yeah, that's true. She did say she doesn't. We got a finale star. So I don't like to turn on my auto trader after the first candle. Now this could be what does she call it? Chopsticks, but I'm just not comfortable yet with no chopstick. So I'm not taking that, but we are watching. If this closes blue, that's a strong bullish sign. She calls it chopsticks. But that happens on the very next candle. I don't like to take that. That's why I wait before at least 2 candles. Not yet. I'm not comfortable with that yet. We're above the 23. So if you take out your notes, I got this little note card right here. Above the 23, obviously it's bullish. We are screaming to the upside. Chopstick City. Up 225. Boy, I wish we were copy trading real accounts right now, right? It's okay. I'm telling you right now, if we get laser focused the rest of this month and we only trade this specific signal, I got a good feeling. I got a really good feeling. See? That reversed hard at that finale star. Yemeni? Yeah, I still don't even have a clue what the finale star trade is. And every time I hear him say finale star, it doesn't work. I don't think I've seen it work, like, but maybe ever, really. Every time that finale comes, it like seems like it doesn't work. Upslope in 55. Yeah, it's looking good. I'd love to see us pull back into that 6 or that 4, but I'm not taking that chopstick. Not taking the chopstick. $3.10. Again, we're sitting right up here at that swing high. Now we're in that upper zone, right? We're in that upper zone, accumulation zone. We're still screaming on the slow MACD way above 90. Just be patient. What was that? Oh, I hear noises all over the fucking place. All right. It's a lot of volatility happening right up here at finale star. We're at the high. We're right at the high of the day. I mean, again. And do me a favor. Write down notes, ideas, thoughts, questions. So when we get into the group, we can brainstorm out loud. Because I'm telling you, I'm really getting zoned in as far as what I'm looking for. If you're unsure what I'm looking for, I'll tell you later. Absolutely. Right now, though, I'm not interested in going short right now. But if we can roll over, it might come back down to R1. All right. Wow, that happened quick. Not interested yet. All right. So we're up here. Not going long. This is not a long trade. Dasher boom will not trigger to the downside because we're above line 21. Raymond was taking the Dasher boom trade yesterday, but he didn't even know what it was. He was like, when does it trigger? You can't do that. If you're going to trade a signal, you got to know. All right, so I'm going to be looking to go short on the auto trader. Short only. Short only is where I'm looking to go right this second. But I got my hand on the disable button if necessary. I'm going to go ahead and disable the auto trader. I'm going to disable it. Good move. Good job. Good job not going short there. S&P's making all sorts of fucking noises, dude. And again, if you don't know why I'm doing this, might work, but this is not the trade that I'm looking for. We're back above line 55. If you get into this trade short, you got to target 55. I will not be doing that. No Dasher boom trades right now. But if we go up here to the swing high and pop up, that might be a Dasher boom trade. Just get your auto traders. We got price action and Dasher boom. You got to know when you're turning them on and why you're turning them on. Again, do not do like my boy Raymond. Don't turn on an auto trader unless you understand why you're turning it on. It doesn't do you any good. I'm not going short. I'm not. Go short, you got to target 55. That little sucker go down. Let that little sucker go down. See that little flickering? Ooh, that's tricky. You would have already moved to break even anyway. You probably would have got stopped out for break even. Again, that's not a trade I'm interested in. Exactly. Exactly, Jason. Look what Jason put in our private chat. Exactly. No shorts. Not right now. Not right. Exactly. Exactly, Jason. No shorts. Right now, we're doing the only trade I got getting ready to get in is this Dasher Boom Long. I got it enabled. And that's if we break through that high. And we would be stacked by the time that happens. So I'm okay with that trade. Again, we're practicing this week. If that Dasher Boom signal consistently loses, wait, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. It'll trigger you right here. I don't want to get triggered right here. Now you can turn it back on. Wow, actually it would have worked. Maybe I should have kept it on. Oh, well. I got it turned on. But again, we're practicing. So if that Dasher Boom doesn't do good, I'm telling you right now, I'll stop taking it. $50 ticks target, 50 ticks stop. It's going to be a fast trade if we get in it. Again, we're just practicing. Yes, it's the evaluation account, but I'm still undecided if this is a signal that I'm going to be trading. I'm also getting ready to turn on my price action trade, only to the upside. Not yet. Again, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. You got to know what you're doing. Yeah, pull back to right here at that 55. I'm just not ever going to take that trade again. I've got nightmares about that fucking pullback trade. I got my Dasher Boom if we break. I think Charles is going long and long and short and long and short. Still long. Still long. Charles is still long. And we will get triggered into this Dasher Boom if it goes up. Target 50, stop 50. I think it's really high, but you know what? I'm just gonna do it. Lose or not, I don't care. Getting that Wilder X. Again, I'm gonna stick to the rule so I can see how well it does. Again, we got to trade January, the rest of this month, mastering our signals, because February, we got to start passing these exams. And this is a Dasher Boom trade. And it could blow up through here, and who knows, maybe explode. I don't know. And we're still working on swing high. We're in accumulation zone. We're headed straight up. So, I mean, I am focused to the upside. We're above B23. I love to see us pull back into this 2, right? Pull back, come back, and then go to work, trigger dasher, and then just crush them both. If we get an explosion, it's going to trigger us, and I'm going to leave my stop at 50 ticks. Only adjustment I'm going to do is if we start screaming and that little X starts flashing, the wilder X, I'll dump it manually. If I get stopped out, get stopped out. I don't care. We're above the 55. I mean, this is the trade that we've looked in the past. Here we go. We're about to get triggered. Bam, we're triggered. Well, why didn't I trigger? Why didn't I trigger? My dasher did not trigger. Why did that happen? I didn't trigger. I'm not going to get in now. Why didn't it trigger? Damn it. Son of a bitch. Damn it. Would have worked. Shit. Did y'all's trigger? Fuck. That was it.
Mine did.
Why didn't mine trigger?
I'm in.
Is this how y'all have y'all's? It really pisses me off.
Yes, but I have auto disable after entry is the only thing that's different.
That really pisses me off. Shit. It can't be that can't be happening. Why didn't it trigger me? That should have triggered me. That should have triggered me. That would have been 50. Well, it looks like it hasn't worked yet, but if it works, that's good because that trade was a trade that I would be out. You get out. Just take your profit. Why didn't that trigger?
I got out for 80. The X started flashing on mine.
Oh, okay. Okay. I wasn't paying attention, I guess, because I was too busy looking at why my auto trader didn't trigger.
But I'll take 80. So
Yeah. So I've got to figure that out. I'm not really sure. I mean, I'm going to check them all. Interim bar close. Multiple trades. I mean, I'm well within my lit. No. Jason, I just wanted my shit to work. But I would say, what?
Well, I was going to say, Jeff, on that first dasher, right in the middle of that run there, it didn't paint that orange dasher bar for me. It didn't extend that line over, from the top where it triggers. So I got to figure that out.
Oh, it didn't.
Yeah, it didn't extend from that yellow triangle there.
That's weird.
I mean, I've got some dots coming off there, but it doesn't extend all the way across.
Huh. Yeah, so I mean, my dasher boom triggered right here, but my auto trader didn't trigger. Huh.
Yeah, I got out for $50.
Uh-huh. Maybe I'll figure that out next time, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really sure. It's kind of, but I am looking to, okay. So I'm going to turn on my auto trader to go long. Price action. Well, that works. I'm going to break even. All right. Alpha break even. That sucks. Ugh. Damn it. I guess that's one of the breaks about going to break even, right? Watch it work. If it comes back in here, I'm going to put another order to get back in. I hate to see these trades that look like they work out, but you know what? Just keep telling yourself, it's better to get break even than take a $250 loss. But that's my trade right there. Damn, go back down, baby. Go back down. Go back down. I'm not chasing this. I want to see it go back in this zone. But this is the most beautiful looking trade. It's just it got me for break even. Damn it. Come on. Come on. Go back down. You know what? It's all good. If it works, that's great because that's the trade that we need to master. Oh, shit. My auto trader's still enabled. What the fuck, dude? Damn. Good trade. It just nicked me out for break even because of our rule, but that's okay. Good trade. I don't know if I'd have hit the target yet, though, but it would have been damn close. At least that auto trader works. At least that auto trader works, right?
Yeah, mine worked on that one.
Okay, good.
150.
All right, good. Okay, come back down. Come back in this range and buy stop your ass.
You come down, I buy you.
Exactly. You come there, I buy you. You come down here, I buy you. That's it,
I just
dude.
measured it. You would have just made it, Jeff. 255.
Damn it. Okay. Well, you know what? That's cool.
Hey, we're learning. We're getting there.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I turned on my auto trader late, but I did discover that it will put you in the trade if it's above the level, where it triggers.
It what?
It looked like the auto trader, I was just a few seconds late getting in, but it went ahead and it got me in the trade anyway.
Oh, okay. Jason said, you come down here, I buy. Oh my God, dude. Jason, that is, oh, here we go. You come down here, I buy you. You come down in this zone, I buy you.
Let's send Jason a Lilu bundle for his birthday.
Dude, that was so funny. You come down here, you come down here, I'll buy you. Come on. Comes back inside here. Oh, that's going to be close. I'm just going to get ready. In case it comes back in that zone, I'm going to buy limit. You come back down here, I'm going to buy you. Don't you go up yet. You come back down here. I'm ready to go. Not going to buy unless we fall back inside the zone. But that was my trade. I just moved to break even. That's fine. That's fine. You come down here, I buy a Lilu bundle. Finale star, Gamini. I think I can do a good job as your assistant. When was that from, Jason? Well, I think I can do a good job as your assistant. Why are you here? Bam! Buy stop. Oh, shit. What happened? Oh, Lilu bundle. All right. Exactly. Ooh, that was close. Ah! That movie was hilarious, right? Come on, you go down there. I bought you. Now you need to go up. Stop going down now. Now you need to go up. Go, 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 go. I love this trade, though. Whether it works or not, this is a trade. Actually, it already worked. It already worked. It's just I missed it. Ah! Ah! I'm going to put the auto trader back on. Damn it. That had it, though. All right, I'm turning it off. Damn it. So, it's okay. See how I keep telling myself? That would have worked, but it is what it is. Maybe it shouldn't have came down there. It came down there, I bought it. Maybe it shouldn't have did that. This one I didn't take. I'm going to wait. It's a good trade. You know, again, I'm going to watch this. I'm not going to get in on this one. But, okay, I'm just watching. I'm just watching. That was a little bit below that 55. I'm not taking this short either. I'm not sure about what these crossover things are. Again, all I want to do is get my signals nailed down. Exactly. I don't eat anything all day, and right before I pass out, I eat a cube of cheese. Emily? So we've got twins. I don't know what that means, but we got twins. Damn it. That would have worked. It pisses me off. We got twins. We got cows, Jenny. All it takes is about 3 trades a day. If you take a couple break evens, all you need to do is have 3 more winners than losers, right? To get your goal. So let's just, again, study the signals so that way when we meet later, because y'all will pick up stuff that I don't see. So, like, if we all got to zone in on different things, so when we come together in the group, we can go over it. You come down there, I'm going to buy you Lilu Bun. Bam, I know she would have taken that trade. I can't do that. I'm not comfortable with that right now. I have to stick to this very specific signal until I get good, which, you know, that ain't right now, obviously. We're basically flat right now in this account. We can't lose a lot, or this account's going to be gone because I took such a beat when I was trying to take these pullbacks. So she would have said that's a great lower high after a red swing, but yeah, I just can't do that. We're dancing around, right? Lilu Bando. This dude said he prepared a 90-day plan. Right here will chop you apart. Chop you to shreds. We're at the DB2. Yeah, right. Always chop. Yeah, I got rid of that 200 because the 200 was confusing me with the 55. So I got rid of it. I kept looking at it thinking it was the 55 and it just messed me up. That's just me, though. So right here, we have the fast MACD in this accumulation zone. We are at a swing high. If this breaks down, that'll confirm the swing high. And then we're going to shift to trading to the downside. See, on that dasher boom, though, that was good to get out on that X, even though mine didn't trigger. I can always bring these over here. The dasher boom's only going to trigger to the upside and it's flat. So this is the one I'm looking at right now. Multiple trades. Right here. That's how mine's set up. Okay.
Hey, Jeff, what is that support reversal checkbox in there? I see sometimes that she's got it checked and sometimes she doesn't.
You know what? I don't know, bro.
Okay.
My guess would be if you go long and short, it does like a stop and reverse type of crap.
Okay.
Like if you get it to the downside and then it goes back up, basically it'll just get you in both. And I did that the other day when I was practicing, and I got in 4 trades in a matter of about 5 seconds, and I didn't even know what the hell I was in.
Yeah, I gotcha.
But
And
it
that's
won't.
the setting. If it's set on long and short, there
Gotcha.
are 3 options: short only, long only, or long and short. That would be the only time it would do reversals.
Gotcha.
So if you had it set on both. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's checked or not if you only pick one.
Okay, good.
And I have it disabled too, auto disable. So it enters one and I have to reset it.
Yeah, that's probably smart. You know, this trade right here, if it wouldn't have stopped me on a break even, that would have hit that, and that would have been money. Either way, it's fine. It's fine. I can't remember what movie that's from. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. $55 is rolling over. I like this. We had that inverted V, right? Went up and rolled over. It feels a lot better though, not taking all these pullbacks and going after, like, at least it's starting to feel better now whenever you have a better idea of what you're looking for and you're only focused on that. That was my big problem whenever I was testing here pretty much all January. We were getting destroyed on these pullbacks. I was taking like every little trade. I mean, it wasn't so good. And now, at least I have an idea of what I'm doing. All right, so we are crossing up here. We're still moving. So again, I'm not sure on the, how they're utilizing all this for a bias, but I'm going to go ahead and trigger it short. I don't want to though, but yeah, I'm going to trigger it short to practice. I'm going to trigger it short to practice. See if we can hit this 2 and do an inverted V. Got to practice, right? Well, that didn't work out. Well, it's not over yet, but I mean, this is a perfect shot. If it loses, it loses, but this is the perfect shot. If this trade loses, so be it. I'll take this trade all day long. If we go down past that green, to be honest with you, and I'm just going to leave it right now. I'm not going to mess with it. If we go down in this area right here, though, I will hit break even. What the hell's going on, dude? My thing is all making such a noise. Go to break even. Go to break even. Ah, damn it. Damn it. Break even again. God damn it. I'm going to do it again. Go back down. I'm going to get back in it again. Man, I know it's break even. I guess it's better than losing, right? Go ahead and I'm going to cancel that order. So now we have a higher high, so I don't want it. So, I mean, you know what? I need to just shut up. We got break even. We paid a little bit of money commission-wise. I'd rather do that because I would have taken a loss. So, you know what? I love that break even idea. I know sometimes I get upset, but now looking at it, I'm like, wow, had we not broke even, we would have lost the full amount. So that's fine. Because what I noticed, those ones that work, usually they just, once they cross that midpoint, it works. Unless it's a vicious pullback. You know what I'm saying? You know, I guess Charles, like Charles says, right? You want to be right quick. If not, just get out, you know? Because think about it, guys. This trade, had we not moved to break even, would have lost the full amount. So I think that's a great rule. Let me know in our chat. What do y'all think? Do you think that's a great rule? We're going to take more little shot things, but could keep us from getting destroyed, you know? Me and Jason thought of it. Let us know, John, Brandon, Jeff, what y'all think. Me and Jason, you know, we kind of came up with that. Yeah. All right. Better to take it right than not. All right. I mean, it saved our butt. So I'm not going to turn on the dasher, even though mine probably... I'm actually kind of curious about turning it on just to see if it works. But I don't really want to. Look, here's the deal. No, I don't want to turn it on. God, but I want to see if it works. I'm going to turn it on. I got to see if it works. Sorry. Because I don't care about this account. It should trigger. So this is a swing high. So maybe regardless of stacked, swing high. I got it turned on. I just want to see if it triggers. And this is how I have it set. It should work. It wouldn't enable, right? If it didn't work, it wouldn't enable, right? Let's see if it triggers us. If it goes up here. It's enabled. Long only. I mean, it should trigger. It should trigger. If it doesn't, I'm lost. I can't be manually hitting that one. That's too... I would normally not take this. I'm just trying to see if it works. Everything's right, huh? Enter on bar close, auto disable. Should fucking trigger, dude. Dasher boom. Should trigger. 55. I mean, everything's good. Yeah, I wouldn't normally take it. Absolutely. This is not a dasher boom trade that I would normally take. I'm just doing it to see if it works. But yes, you are correct. From a rule standpoint, don't take it. Get an arrow. Starting to hook up here. Don't know what the fuck that means, but That's the one I'm working on. So if it pull back, I might take a shot on this price action trade. Right now, I got this dasher boom just to see if it triggers. Even though this is actually no, I'm not gonna do the price action one right now. This is too sideways, and I'm just not comfortable. I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable yet. But you know what? We are practicing. I should do it. We do have a higher high. No, I'm not going to do the price action. You see this? We're flat. That's a rule. Angled up. This is flat. I'm not shield trade it from here to here, from here to here. I'm not going to do that. So I will not be doing the price action trade yet because it's flat. Okay, let's see if it triggers the dasher. It didn't trigger me again. What the fuck is going on? Why? I don't get it. I'm baffled.
There was somebody in the room yesterday that was having a similar issue, and she went through a setup of the dasher boom itself. And that's going to just probably get you into Blue Wheel City. But you might want to ask her.
I'm going to ask her today. My dasher boom did not trigger. That's bullshit.
Or when you get the video, she probably can go through her setup on there too.
Yeah. Yesterday's video has it. That was towards the end of the session.
Hey, Jeff G, I've got a question for you.
Yes, sir.
I don't know what I did, but I'm starting to, when I want to make a change, if I'm sliding up the stop loss or the target, I have to confirm it on Rhythmic now. There's a field that pops up to confirm the change.
I saw that. Yeah, I saw that. And I'm not sure what that's all about.
I know break even will do it. You can flatten, you can do all the other stuff. It'll do the initial order, but it's got to be a setting somewhere.
Yeah, when I went in on that last dasher, I did the same thing. I slid my stop up to break even, and then it gave me that dialog box.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Yeah, it is, because you got to keep on the trade. I don't answer questions. So I'm trying to save my bacon.
Well, but I think the break even is a really good move. If we can get it moving up, that really cuts the losses. And then if you have a runner,
yeah, I think so.
I was even thinking on the ones that are running, if you had bought two, one with a higher stop loss and moved to break even.
I'm gonna give you my 2 cents. That's what I did the whole beginning time, and it came out way worse. My recommendation to you is go for your target, hit your target, and get out. You do whatever you want, But what you're saying is what I did way before you, and that was it worked. It was way worse. Again, you do whatever you got to do. But I'm just going to tell you, for my kind of thing, is set your target, hit your target, get out, and don't worry about a runner. That's just me. You do what you do whatever works for you. And there's not. You do whatever works for you.